So I go to my environment variables from advanced system settings, environment variables, and there is a Java home. See this Java home? I delete this. There is no Java home anymore. Nobody will know where is the Java home. Meaning the software inside, unless they have built-in Java. Some of the softwares they have built-in Java. You know what is built-in Java and the environment variable Java? It means, like, for example, Flash. You have worked on Flash, Adobe Flash, Adobe Dreamweaver. It has built-in Java. Built-in meaning it has a running engine inside. It will not complain. But Eclipse should complain. This Android development kit should complain. Your emulator will not start. It will complain. And also I will do some more further ruining. When I say ruining, I'm completely messing up. Right click. Where is this? My Android. I'll go to my Android wherever it is stored. D drive. Dev. ADT bundle kit. It is in Eclipse. Some of you had these issues. Some of you were there. Eclipse.ini. Open this Eclipse.ini. It is one of the crucial configuration files which says how much memory to take from your computer, where is Java, what is the level of Java. So level of Java is 1.6. Let's see what is the maximum level of Java I've installed in my computer. Start, and when I write Java, it shows me java.exe, about Java, etc. So hover your mouse over it, it will show you Java 7 is there. You see file version 7. And let's click on about Java. It will show me the latest. Even if version 7, 6, 7, 8 are there, it will show me the latest. I clicked on about Java. See, now it says it has version 8. It has version 8. Do you see this? I clicked on about Java. I clicked on the Windows button and I wrote Java. Click on about Java. It will show me in my computer it is Java 8. You may have 7 or 6, I don't know. Some of you may have 7, some of you may have 6, I don't know. Now understand this. You know what? Your computer has some programs that say we only need Java 6. Meaning they will run on Java 6 or 5 or 4 or 3 or 2 before. You know backward compatibility? You have some programs which you installed 5 years ago. Some programs that were created 5 years ago and they only need Java version 6. They only need Java version 6.1 like this. So they do not recognize 7.1 or 8. Now you have only 8, for example. You only have 8. Then those previous ones, the ones which you have installed before, some of them will cause you issues. Not all, some of them will cause you issues. Because they say we need Java 6, we don't need Java 7 or 8 or 4 or 3 or 2. This is backward compatibility issues, they do come up sometimes. So look, my Java version is 8. I will say required Java version 1.6. No, I want 1.8. Khalas, save. So my Eclipse.ini is saved and I need Java 1.8. Why? Because you see about Java, I click on about Java, it says 1.8. Do you see this? Now let's start Eclipse. I will close my Eclipse and try starting it. I just closed it. Now I'm starting. It gives me a shock. Now I have a project to submit tomorrow and there's a deadline and the environment messes up. What do I do? First thing, try solving yourself based on what you will learn now. This is 1.7. JVM is not suitable for this product, but the Java guys, they used to say it is backward compatible, it should work, right? It is not working. Sometimes issues they do come up. How to solve them? Version 1.7 of the JVM is not suitable for this product. Version 1.8 or greater is required. Version 1.8 or greater is required. What does it mean? See, Look at the message closely. Can I ask you guys, look at the board, look at this message closely. It tells you version 1.7 of the JVM is not suitable, version 1.8 or greater is required. Who told this software to have this information? Who gave it this information? Eclipse.ini. Eclipse.ini, if you open it, you will see it is giving it this information that version 1.7 of the JVM is not suitable for this product. Version 1.8 or greater is required. Over here, you have given 1.7. This is GRE 7. 7 means 1.7. 8 means 1.8. 5 means 1.5. Up to down in Java. So, you give it Java 7. And the minimum required version will say 1.8. So, you give it the location of Java 1.7. And you say to run this Eclipse, the minimum required version is 1.7, 1.8. Does it make sense? I'm asking again. I'm giving it the version of Java 1.7. But you say the minimum required version to run this software is 1.9. It does not work such well. There is some configuration problem in your program. What is the exact problem? You have 7 in your computer and 8 in your computer and 6 in your computer. And you are given the location of the preferred JVM. You can have 3 or 4 different versions of Java together in your computer at one time. So you are given JVM 1.7 as the preferred version and you are asking to run 1.8. Opposite. Okay, it is like I asked you guys to come and sit and read this tutorial file, and I started doing teaching on the tutorial session. 1.8 is required, then 1.7 is required, then 1.7. So I can write over here 1.7, it will work. So you know how to solve this now. And this is backward compatible. Even if I write the previous one, even 1.3, 1.4, it will work. So let me write maybe 1.6. Because I have given it 7. 7 and I asked it to run on 7. It will say no problem. Or 6, or 5, or 4. It will have no problem. 6. Okay, let's see now what happens. I close this, save this, then I try starting again. So it works. Even Java home I've deleted from the environment variable, it still works. Why does it still work? Anybody can tell me. The question is for an ice cream. One ice cream for whoever answers this. From my environment variables, I just deleted Java home. You remember? From my environment variables, these are my environment variables, advanced system settings, environment variables. There was a Java home entry over here. Java home. I deleted it, it's not here. But still Eclipse started and worked. Any idea why? You saw me deleting, right? Java home. So I told it that there is no Java. I told my computer there is no Java in my computer. So where to find it? Unless a program started searching the registry, searching the hard disk, where is Java automatically, there's no way they can find. So I told, where is Java over here? This. Even if Java home is not there, if you have this entry, it will still work. What is this entry? This entry is VM. After VM, this is virtual machine. Where is Java virtual machine? This is the Java virtual machine I would like to use. This is what it means. So it does not bother even you don't have Java home. Now if you don't have this at all, if you don't have this, but you have Java home, it will work. Okay, so anyway, we started Eclipse. Now there should be some problems. If there is no problem, let's create more problems and then solve it. Java build path. You see, I pointed out Java. added android.jar over here automatically, even though I removed it. You know why? You know why? Let's go here. Again, environment variables. Okay, 1 second. Now in this project there is Android 4.4.2. I am attempting to remove it, and I apply. Now this guy should complain that it does not have Android at all. Now let's close this and start it. Now I'm cleaning everything. I will clean. Okay. Make sure it is running in background. Okay, save. So now I have many issues which are being compiled. What I did was I did clean and build automatically. That's all. So I had many issues. I restarted, clean and build. So now you right click. I deleted that Android entry. Did you see that? Go to properties. Go to Java build path. See that Android is there back again automatically. Automatically. So now this is something which happens that you are programming suddenly and it will start complaining to you that Java is not there, Android is not there, Android support.jar is not there. Many jar, you know what is jar? Java archives. Inside that Java archive there are required programs to run Android. Android is another Java program. On top of that Java program, which is Android, you create your own program. So they need other programs to run yours. Your program also need other programs, other classes to run. So when you restart, shut down Eclipse and restart, it searches which other of these projects have Android, and then it takes it from them. So you delete it from solve these issues. There are some more and extensive issues with Android which I can show you later on if you encounter. But at this point, I would really to deploy this on the faster emulator. There, there is an application which has a text field or a button. Let me do this. Can I have your attention? I have a application. It has nothing inside. The name of the application is practice application. I will drag and drop the button over here, and I will drag and drop a text field over here. Now notice this. Can I please have your attention again, ladies? On the top, notice at the top, this Android man is there, and there is 19 written. If it is 20, you please bring it down to 19, because 20 is for Android Wear. Sometimes Eclipse does this, the Android development kit. You select 19, which is not Wear, which is not for wearable devices, but while you draw the interface, it will draw it for wearable devices. Now when you deploy an interface, you will have error, it will never deploy, it will hang, it will have issues. So make sure you're deploying on 19. You are developing this on 19. Okay, so even Eclipse does this. Sometimes when you in your project properties Android and you have selected 4.4.2, which is 19, not variable. This is my project properties. I go to Android, I selected 4.4.2, which is 19 API level. It is not variable, but still but still over here when I design the interface it will give me 20. Make sure you bring it back to 19. Okay, when you do this you will see a different set of options. In the text field I am actually going to drag and drop a text field over here, and I'll write something over here, maybe like for example 1 2 3. Right, so let me realign my interface so you guys can see better. This is my application appearing. I have a button only and I have a text box, and that's all. So now I would like to deploy this application and give it, before deploying, give it some colors, maybe some colors to button. What most of you guys have done is you have excuse me, maybe you saw the same video as you told me. What you have done is you attach an image in the button, or you attach an image with your text box. An easier way and the lighter way is to give color to your button. How you can give color to your button? You see there is a values folder over here. Values, drop it. You will see there is styles, there is strings, there is dimensions. Right click values, go to new. What we will do now, we will define a color and we will apply on this button and this interface, on the text box, on the text or on the background, whatever. So right click, the values, new, and select Android XML file. If you do this with me, you will be able to apply the colors now without any images. Android XML file. Right click your values, new, Android XML file. If you do this, there will be values, project name, which is your whatever project you selected, and give a file name. For example, color. Give a file name, color. So it will store all of your colors. So it is a resources file. Root element should be resources. The root element should be resources. It means I am creating a new file. I will store all my color codes inside. That's all. Color codes. Okay, I will show you again. Right click values, new, Android XML file. Android XML file. Please do it with me. And give the file name color. And make sure the root element is resources selected. Are you guys with me at the right, at the middle, and the left? Finish, not next. Right click values. Mariam, you saw this? Right click the values which is under the resources, RES. New Android XML file. Right over here, color. Make sure root element is selected and press finish. Color, finish. So you declared a new XML file and you will store your colors inside this. That color you will be able to apply. Now let me show you. I finish. So I have a resource file and it has some colors. Now I can go to my color.xml over here and I can write this myself. It is very easy, or you can do from here also. Let me show you both. If you get confused, the reason I want to show you in XML is you will get XML problems and you will get panicked. Do not get panicked. You can do from the interface and the XML also. XML is also very easy. Do this bracket, the color will already automatically come. This right angle, less than symbol, the color will automatically come. Select color, space, name, Now you see, if you want suggestions, you can do this. Again, this symbol, are you guys with me? This symbol, it will show you color. Cannot see. I can open zoom. Okay, I've sent you a Zoom link. Can you come on this Zoom meeting, please? Then I'll tell you. This color, what you do is, this bracket will give you some suggestions of color. Make sure you keep color space. Now what to write? You are confused. Control space. It will give you suggestions. You have to write name of the color. Name is equal to, let's say, blue. That's my favorite color. And close this. So it will automatically close it. So right now you have a blue color variable. Now to check, wow, sorry. Now you need to do this. Go to Google, Java color codes. Ask what are Java color codes. It will give you some codes. On Google there is okay, my PC is very slow now. Okay, on Google, do this Java color codes, and you will see a list of Java color codes. Just click on this, the first one. Basically, there are many. So I've got a list of codes. Which one did you say? Blue. So there's a range of blue. Let's say I like this one. I will copy this code, the 6-digit hexadecimal code, and paste over here in my XML after the blue. Notice the format. Again, I'll create another color, and notice how the syntax is. Bracket start, the cornered bracket, color, name. If you are unsure, control space, it will give you suggestion. Name is equal to which color? White, red. Okay, so I pick up this red and I give it this color over here and save it. So I created one file with, it's actually a resources file. I have 2 colors in my resources file, and that's all. Okay, so Alright, so I'll just disconnect. So I've got this button and I've got this text box which is 1, 2, 3. Now go to your graphical layout XML. Are you guys with me now? Have you created any color? Okay, I'll wait. Create colors, please, and I'll be waiting.